welcome to my channel. My name is Rihanna and I will be unboxing this advent calendar I got from Target. It was $20. It's valued at $86 and I actually had to go to 2 Targets to find it. The first one didn't have it out yet. Heard that it has some good items in it for $20. And this is a beauty calendar. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty much pink and red. It has all of the items on the back as well. It looks nice and festive. So let's start with number 1. Lumify eye drops redness reliever. I've never used these, but I've heard about them before. It is 0.08 ounces. And I'm gonna open it up and show you what the actual eye drop looks like. These retail for about $13. Okay, let's do number 2. Looks kind of long. Ah, come on. This stuff is hard to get out. Oof. So this is e.l.f. mascara lash extender. I've never tried this before. It says it's good for dramatic length and definition. Let's open it up. Yeah, so this is full size. That's what it looks like. And this retails for about $8. All right, now let's do day 3. It looks like it's probably gonna be some lip balm or something. Lip gloss. Okay, so day 3 is not lip balm or lip gloss. It is L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion 903 Medium Glow. I actually have one of these. Yeah, I'm not sure how much this retails for, but it's like a sample, so let's put it on. See what it looks like. This would be too light for me. Yeah, I would need like a darker glow, but looks like that. Number 4, I'm not gonna guess what it is because I was wrong last time. What is this? So this is the Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. Never heard of this, but it's like a sample size. It's nice and cute. I like this brown color. Let's put it on. Ooh, I did too much. It looks like that. Ah! But it's the Radiance Boosting Glow in Bronze. Okay, on to day 5. Oh, how cute is that? It's a lip ornament. Looks like that. Nice and red. I'm actually gonna put this on my tree because I have a spot on my tree that's missing an ornament. It's supposed to be like a 2025 ornament. Every year my husband and I get a new ornament, but we haven't gotten one yet. I'll put this where that ornament is supposed to go. Really cute. It is messed up a little though. It's like a little dot that doesn't have any red on there. It's a beauty mole. Actually, look, it has a crack on it. It's cracked. That sucks. Okay, day 6 is this one. Ow. What is that? Is it lipstick? It looks like some kind of lip oil. Oh, this is cute. This looks like a full size. Revlon lip oil. Super lustrous glimmer. This is pretty. I like this color. I'll put it on. Alright. Let's see. I thought the color was going to show up more on my lips. It kind of just looks like a clear gloss. It's okay. That is going to have more color to it. Oh, and the color is Foregone Rose. Yeah, it retails for about $10. So far, these 3 have been worth more than the $20. Day 7. What is that? Oh, I think something happened here. I don't think it's supposed to be 2 in here. I think this fell from something, so we'll come back to it. Blush Candlelit Halo Glow Beauty Wand. I don't really wear blush. It looks cute. I'm gonna put some on my hand. So that's a nice. It looks kind of like a peach pink color. Looks pretty. And this retails for about $10. Now I'm gonna do 8. So this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I don't think I've ever used this. I'm interested to see how well it works. And this is 0.5 ounces. I'm definitely gonna try this one. Yeah, this is a mini and it retails for about $7. Day 9. We're almost finished with this one. Ooh, nice and pink. Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. Looks full size. I really like this color. Pink is so pretty. I've never used this mascara, but this is what the brush looks like. This is cute. So far we've gotten 2 mascaras, which I will definitely be using because I mainly only put mascara on my bottom lashes and I wear fake eyelashes on my top eyelashes. So this retails for about $3. I thought it would be more than that. So now we're gonna do day 10. What is that? Nail polish? Sally Hansen Insta Dry Luxe Finish. This color is pretty. It's pink. I love pink. It's color 249 triple thread. I would put this on my toes. So I really only wear nail polish on my toes and I'll wear like gel on my fingers, or I'm about to try some press-ons for the first time. So we'll see if that works, but yeah, I like this. And this retails for about $8. Yeah, so 2 days left, 11 and 12. Let's see, day 11. I hope you're ready for nothing. So I'm pretty sure this is the one that fell. So this is like what goes on the back of your phone so that your phone can stick to a surface. It's cute. I like it. It's shaped like a bow. I actually don't have one of these and I wanted to get one before, but it was a bigger one. But yeah, we'll see if this works. All right, last one, day 12, right here, big and in the center. Okay. This is a sunscreen, but it is sunscreen and primer. e.l.f. Skin Will Glow SPF 30. I like this one. This one might be good. Sunbeam for everyday use. Dry, normal, oily combination skin. Lightweight. I'm actually gonna try this one. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so this retails for about $15, which is almost the price of the whole calendar. Yeah, this is a lot of good stuff for $20. I'm definitely gonna use a lot of them. And I still have the lip gloss on. No complaints. So all of this for $20, that's pretty good. So I actually really like this calendar. It was a good value and it had some stuff in there that I'm actually gonna use. Yeah, it gets a thumbs up from me. Also, I might even buy another one from Target, another $20 one, just to see, because this one was so good. But let me know what you thought of the items in the beauty calendar and if you'd purchase this. Also, feel free to check out the many links I have in my description. I have my couples YouTube channel with my husband. I have my Like to Know It, my Amazon storefront, my Pinterest, my Instagram, Snapchat. Oh yeah, I have my Venable on there. And I recently started using Shop My, so plenty for you to check out if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me, and I'll see you in the next one.